Hi, this is Asta Tripathi from Efficient Manufacturing Magazine, and today we are here at SEMICON India 2025, which is happening in Yashobhoomi from 2nd September to 4th. Follow along to see what's happening in semiconductor industry in India and across globe. Thank you.
So my first question is that what services or product would you show in Semicon 2025?
My name is Yatish. I'm heading the sales and marketing. We are from CKD India. So CKD has a 80 years history of producing the industrial automation product. In India, we have established in 2016 and we have a manufacturing facility in Imrana, which is in Rajasthan. So where we are producing the pneumatic cylinder at this moment. But the product which is related to the semicon industries, we are importing from Japan, Malaysia and other countries. And we are producing these kind of products which is being used in semiconductor industries machines. And these are the different locations where we produce the components.
So sir, can you tell what benefit do you have from this program?
Yes, this is a great opportunity and a great platform for us. As you know, semiconductor industry is a growing industry in India. So we could identify many companies who are already involved in semiconductor ecosystem, and we could identify the new customers, the new technologies. Of course, we can also identify our competitors so that how can we act going forward.
So you talk about competitor and all.
Yeah.
So my question is, how your company different from your competitor companies?
So it's a very good question. So CKD is the company believes in solving the customer problem rather than only selling the products. So we give the complete solution to the customers. So our logo also CKD creating solutions together. So we not only sell the product, we sell the solutions to the customers.
So, one last question. Can you please define little more about your product?
Yes, of course. So our products, especially in semiconductor industries, being used in back-end process as well as the front-end process.